Let's talk about how your home could be waiting to give you a windfall of cash. That's right. Show me the money today on Bring It Home. I'm Taylor, your Pennymac loan expert, here to open the door to understanding cash out refinance loans. If your home has a market value that's higher than your loan amount, then you have equity. You can tap into that equity to get cash out, hence the name cash out refinance. The beauty of a cash out refinance is that you don't have to sell your home to get that cash. You simply refresh your mortgage. A cash out refinance replaces an existing mortgage with a new loan, so you can pull out your home's equity as cash. You can use the cash in almost any way you want, including paying off high interest credit card debt, renovating your home, making unexpected home repairs, financing a business, or covering college tuition. How much cash can you get? It's based on something called the loan to value ratio, or LTV ratio. The maximum LTV ratio for a cash out refinance varies based on many factors, including your credit status, whether your property is owner occupied or a rental, and whether you have a conventional, FHA, or VA loan. For conventional and FHA loans, the maximum LTV ranges from 70 to 80%, whereas a VA loan may allow you to increase your LTV up to 90%. This means you will need more equity in your home to make your cash out refinance worthwhile if you choose a conventional or FHA loan. So once you pull the equity out of your home and you have your new loan, it can start to accumulate value and equity again, all while you still get to enjoy your home sweet home. I hope this episode helped bring home the full potential of mortgages for you. Stay tuned for more ways you can bring it home on your home ownership journey.